I'm Mallory Weber. I'm a junior studying informatics at the Security Cognate here at IU. I got involved with 3D printing and CEWIT specifically because of a former mentor and alumni of the CEWIT program, and she brought me here and I am so thankful for it. I've loved every bit of it. CEWIT is extremely important to me because I think that women sometimes underestimate themselves and just how powerful we can be. So being a part of this program and kind of teaching people about things that they might not necessarily think about on a normal basis really brings happiness to my day and allows me to feel like I'm really doing something important. I think that CEWIT is doing a really good job of making women from all different educational backgrounds realize that they have a place in tech and that they have a future that involves technology and we can do anything we set our mind to.